How to connect SmartThings app on Dishwasher for iOS. Navigate to and open the SmartThings app. On the Devices tab, tap Add, the plus sign, in the top right. Under Samsung Devices, tap Add. Tap Dishwasher. You will be prompted to scan the QR code located on the dishwasher or its packaging. If you can't locate the QR code, tap Add without QR code, and then follow the instructions. The SmartThings app will begin searching for the dishwasher. If you can't find your device in the list, tap Can't Find Your Device at the bottom. The connection process will begin. Turn on your dishwasher, then press and hold the Smart Control button for more than 3 seconds until AP appears. Tap Next, and then tap OK. You will be prompted to join the device's network. Tap Join. Your phone will begin connecting to your dishwasher. Make sure your phone is near your dishwasher so the devices can connect. You will be prompted to select a Wi-Fi network. Enter the password if needed, and then tap Connect. Once connected to the network, the dishwasher will register to SmartThings. The SmartThings app will prompt you when the connection is successful. You can choose the dishwasher's location and room, as well as its name. When you are finished, tap Done. You are now able to manage the device's settings, such as changing the cycle, enabling speed booster, sanitize, and delay start. You can also receive notifications when the dishwasher needs to be cleaned and even perform a self-clean cycle. Tap Back. You will now be able to see your dishwasher in your device list.